Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a Catapull comb wrap. Knowing how to do a Catapull already would be really helpful, so I'll put a link to that in the description below, and I'll also pop something down there so you can recap some combs if you want to do that as well. Assuming that's in your repertoire, you're going to be ready for one of these. Here goes, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard Catapull. We go back, we go sweep, we go lean, still standard Catapull. We take the right over the top, we walk the lady through. This is where it changes. Instead of stopping the lady facing away, we're going to keep the lady turning. So she's going round, we're going to let that left hand go down, fold up behind the back, keep the lady turning, keep the lady turning. You're going to pick up the hip at the same time as holding the hand at the back. So you can draw the lady in as you comb, and the heel of the hand on the hip allows you to send the lady back, slide and catch. You'll actually see that better from the other side. And while we do it from this side, we'll talk numbers as well. So we go back 1, sweep 2, lean 3, walking the lady past, right hand high as early as possible, 4, turn the lady 5, comb 6, and back 7. So it's quite a sweet little move. Let's see if we can do it together. Here we go, right to right. 5, 6, Catapull comb wrap. We go a back, sweep, lean, raise, turn, comb, and back. And that's the whole thing. Do enjoy that one out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to promote the move, the channel, and dancing generally. Notification bell will mean that you get told every time a new video comes out, providing it's turned on in your settings. Music recommendation on the end. One of the windows at the end will be to a link to a music video with a tune that would be good to dance this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.